Pokemon. The game about catching and raising creatures to befriend and battle with. You travel across regions encountering Pokemon of varying strengths and abilities. The goal? To become the very best, like no one ever was. The Pokemon games let you play as a teenage Pokemon trainer. When you start the game, you get given a rare Pokemon from the local professor that people refer to as your starter Pokemon. These Pokemon come in 3 main typings. These are Fire, Water, and Grass. Each generation of Pokemon sees the introduction of a new set of starter Pokemon, along with the rest of the new Pokemon introduced within the region. The Pokemon you choose will help shape the way you play the game, and what Pokemon you'll capture on your journey. As the game is based around capturing and battling with creatures, you need to understand the basics of Pokemon battling. This includes Pokemon moves, types, and abilities. Understanding a Pokemon's stats is also a key piece of information when battling. Pokemon stats are split into physical and special. These stats are based around the Pokemon's set base stats. From these, a Pokemon can be modified to gain extra points in certain stats. Pokemon natures also modify this as they increase a certain stat and reduce another. Pokemon stats are used to determine how much damage a move will do from a Pokemon to another Pokemon. For example, Quick Attack is a base 40 physical move, so if a Lopunny were to use Quick Attack, it would do more damage than a Pachirisu. This is because Lopunny's physical attack is higher than Pachirisu's. Quick Attack is also a stab move to Lopunny. A stab move is a move of the same type as the user. Stab stands for same type attack bonus. This leads on to the wonders of Pokemon types. The Pokemon typing mechanic is very complex when you first discover it. However, when you become more experienced in the game, the whole mechanic slowly becomes much easier to understand. To help you with this, here is a chart giving you all the information about what is strong and weak against all the types. This provides you with the information for the type matchup system. The way type weaknesses work, a Pokemon of a certain type will take more damage from a certain type of move than others will. However, they will take less damage when a Pokemon's type resists the type of the move. For example, let's take Pikachu. Pikachu is solely electric type. When it's hit by a ground type move like Earthquake, then it will take 2 times the base damage of the move. This is because, as you can see on the chart, electric is weak to ground. On the other hand, if Pikachu were to get hit by a steel type move, then it would do 0.5 times of the base damage of the move. Some typings also go beyond the resistances, as they do not do any damage to certain types. This includes normal type moves not doing anything to a ghost type Pokemon, and vice versa. Fighting type moves also do nothing to ghost types, but ghost type moves can hit fighting types. This can all be negated if the move Foresight or Odor Sleuth is used. This allows normal or fighting type moves to hit ghost type Pokemon. Once you understand all of this, only then can you play through the games with ease. The games use these mechanics throughout, with the Elite Four and Champion using them to the max. So, once you understand how they work, you can use them to defeat them. Once you have beaten them, you can become the champion of the region and claim the title of Pokemon Master. Use this information to educate others, and if you run out of PP and struggle, send them here to learn more.